Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you where to download around 1,000 free presets for Adobe Premiere Pro. So the top one on our list is, of course, Motion Elements. So Motion Elements gives you with a free access to around 22,000 professionally designed presets. So there are titles here, text transitions, slideshows, and motion graphics available for you to use. So here, once you enter Motion Elements, or once you type in motionelements.com on your browser, just quickly go up on the upper panel of the screen, upper left panel of the screen, click on Premiere Pro, and then automatically this will bring you to this website right here. So you can choose from a variety of categories, from transitions to styles and to many, many more. There is also an audio search for you to use for your soundtrack for your videos. So for example, if you want to use this to edit a wedding video, or if you're gonna edit something relating to a wedding, then definitely there are a lot of free applications here for you to use. So right here you can get up to 8,000 free video stock footage for you to explore. Just head on over and you can instantly download it for free. Apart from Motion Elements, you can also go and visit Motion Bro. Motion Bro provides you again with free Motion Bro presets. All you have to do is click on the personal use for free. However, there's a limit of 200 MB limit for free files, and the product will be downloaded from a third-party file hosting. But definitely, if you're a beginner, this is worth taking a look at. And then, of course, on our list, if you haven't claimed it yet, if you're starting out on Adobe, you can download, or you can have a free 30-day free trial of 10 Adobe stock standard assets, which already includes presets for your Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you have not claimed this free trial, better to try it now before spending on the actual thing. That way, you can have more options. And apart from this, you can also have free presets, Premiere Pro presets here on Motion Array. So on your browser, type in motionarray.com and simply browse through their free Adobe Premiere Pro presets that are absolutely for free, no plugins, just download and go. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.